Let me show you my earnings for this month up to 26 days real quick. Okay, here we are. Boom, boom, boom. Here, let me refresh real quick. Awesome. So basically, guys, as you can see, we're at $95,000 for the month. That's 26 days into the month. And today we're at $2,300. And it's just like 12 o'clock in the day, okay? So the day is like halfway through and we're at that much. And what I do to do this real quick, and I want to talk about the truth of affiliate marketing as well in this video I thought of. And what I do to this now is a lot of things, but I'm pushing people mainly to like areas where I can follow up with them in the future, because the best way to make money online is to follow up with customers down the road. So I collect emails, okay? I push people to my entertainment YouTube channel, which just has a bunch of content that essentially links to more sweepstake offers. So here's what I do. I have a whole website of a bunch of sweepstake offers. And on Max Bounty, you can see right here, there is a bunch of sweepstake offers. You can go down. This offer I promote a ton of. Then there's this one. These are sweepstake offers, like win an iPhone 11. I promote this one a ton. Okay, so you can promote a bunch of these sweepstake offers and just crush it. What I do, I have a whole website I push people to, just linking to a bunch of these offers. That actually doesn't make the bulk of the money. The bulk of the money comes from just simple landing pages pushing people to just one-off offers, okay? Just pitching one offer, keeping it simple. You don't really need to have a VSL, which means a video sales letter promoting a product or a sweepstake offer. And Max Bounty has tons of high converting sweepstakes, okay? And they have hundreds of them, so you can do that, no problem. And so that's what I do right there. And then I basically make content on my second YouTube channel like crazy. Lately, actually not even that much, but I built up at the point where I built up so much content and it runs and it links to each other and everything so well. The descriptions, I don't link away from YouTube too much, which is really important. I run ads on Facebook ads to opt-in pages. I also have opt-in pages inside the description of the YouTube videos, and the YouTube videos get millions of views a month. That's how you're able to do this. And you don't create the content yourself. You don't show your face. You can literally, all you got to do is just download other people's videos, add commentary. It's called fair use. Okay, you can remix, rehash, add commentary, add criticism to other people's top performing content. This is content that works, content that actually makes money. So when you know that, you just can freaking crush it, okay? Because you're able to crank out content, download content, add your own commentary to content, and just crush it. You can go the approach too of YouTube automation here, okay? There are people who basically have YouTube channels and they don't create any of the content. They just outsource to people who do the script writing, come up with the video idea. They come up with the video idea. Then they hire people for script writing. They hire people for then the voiceover, and then they hire people for the video editing and creation process. Then they have someone who uploads and does the thumbnail. And they have a whole streamlined process for all this, everything figured out to the bone. Okay, so literally that's like the process right there that you can go. It's called YouTube automation. And you basically don't have to do anything, and you can crank out these videos for all sorts of top performing keywords and topics all across YouTube. And I recommend entertainment's good because you can get a lot of traffic. I recommend talking about celebrities, talking about funny stuff. And then there's little secret things you could do too, but you can use tools such as vidIQ to discover what top keywords are, and you can also discover what are the top performing videos currently on the platform you can leverage. So that's what I do. And you can also be aware of what are top trends currently in the world that are going to last for a couple months. So that's also very important. So that's what I do. I'm an expert at knowing how to find trends, but you don't really have to be crazy expert. You're most likely aware of the most basic trends in your current times right now. But anyway, all I can say is it took me years to learn this, but that's because I did trial and error. Now I have a streamlined process that anyone could replicate, anyone could copy. It's inside my sweepstake course. Literally, people love that course. It's one of the most epic courses for affiliate marketing out there because sweepstakes convert like wildfire. It doesn't require anything. All it requires is just getting a little bit of traffic, and you're going to get easy conversions. In cost per sale marketing, which is just earning commissions per sale, people struggle with that because it's really hard for them to understand how to actually get a sale, okay, in the first place and get conversions. Basically, sweepstakes convert like wildfire. It's super exciting, super easy to do, and I believe anyone could do this, and that's why I have that sweepstake course. But once again, like I remember I built multiple funnels, multiple websites, And I got conversions here and there with the stuff I was doing. I was doing Amazon affiliate, I was doing ClickBank, and I didn't understand certain key principles, okay? And I was trying to do paid traffic, but I could never be profitable. If I was going to be profitable, it would have been back in the times when Facebook just launched and everything was so cheap for ads, and it was all new. Now in the new days and the new marketing times, which you just got to keep up with what works, is I know what works now, and I teach that inside the course. I explain everything in depth, okay? People who want to make freaking money, they invest in themselves, okay? So this is basically, I'm making you aware of one of the biggest opportunities. Like, the average person has like 3 major opportunities in their whole entire lifetime. This is one of them. This is one of those opportunities. Take action on this. I kid you not. This sweepstakes course is going to be increased to a lot of money. I've got the adult course. I got the super affiliate course. They're all different content. You need all of them. If you want all of them, you got to get the mega bundle. The mega bundle is a combination of all the courses plus tons of bonus courses and courses I don't even sell separately. Okay. So you can get inside that for even a lesser price and you can get everything. Okay. If you want me to build this for you, okay, a funnel that makes me money like this, then you can get the done for you service. Okay. So I offer some of the coolest stuff in this whole entire industry for affiliate marketing that makes people money and gives them the right knowledge that can make them go out there and just crush it. It was never like this. Once again, I share my story. Like, I used to be super depressed. I literally was so suicidal. I was bullied in school. And just because I had the drive to make money online, that's what kept me going. It was the one thing that motivated me to keep going and going and going and not give up. It's the desire to make money online. Okay, so I'm sure you're going through that right now and you're like, I want to make money online. Well, man, I wish I would have met me online and found me online when I was super young trying to figure this out, because I would have just had all the answers given to me, every single thing. And it's just crazy. So at the end of the day, I'm grateful for the mentors I grew up with, learned from thousands of people online, watched every course in all the areas of skill sets, making money online, all this stuff. And I can tell you right now that the secrets are out there, and the biggest secrets are always the paid information, always. And I didn't realize that until I spent like hundreds of thousands of dollars on mentorships and courses and everything like that, okay? So understand that invest in yourself. That's the key to success. I'll see you guys in more videos. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, go check out more videos. Peace out. High five. All right. Peace out, learn machines. Have a good one.